Hi there, students. Amenable. Okay, amenable is an adjective. We could have the adverb amenably, and I guess the noun of the quality amenability. So if someone is amenable, they are willing to accept suggestions. They're willing to be influenced. Yeah, it doesn't mean they will necessarily be, but they are well disposed to doing this. They're amenable to accepting change. So notice, amenable to. To is the dependent preposition. Amenable to do something. Do you think the boss will be amenable to giving me Friday morning off? Yeah. Do you think he will agree to that? Do you think he will accept my suggestion? I know the boss is normally not very amenable to suggestions. He's not willing to accept anything that doesn't come from him. Okay, the operating system is amenable to reprogramming. That's got to be Linux. Yeah, so open and responsive to suggestion. Yeah, I think if you can show reasonably what you are suggesting and show reasonably that it's the right thing, then people are normally amenable to it, amenable to changing. Yeah. Okay, so amenable, willing to agree to something, willing to accept something that's wanted or something that's asked for. Yeah. I asked him to change this, but he wasn't amenable to doing it. Yeah. My company is amenable to the idea of my working from home. Dictators are not normally amenable to accepting change. The disease is amenable to treatment, able to be controlled. Yeah. Okay, so an environment amenable to the propagation of a pathogen. So somebody who's amenable to something, they're willing to do it, they're willing to accept it. Are you amenable to this idea? You always seem to be more amenable than your friend, more receptive, more open, more responsive, more likely to listen and cooperate, more likely to accepts something as long as it's reasonable. Okay, so amenable to, friendly to, smiling on, if you like. Okay, so willing to accept suggestion, to submit to authority, ready to consent, ready to be agreeable. Are you amenable to changing the schedule? Are you amenable to a change in the schedule? He's not very amenable to criticism, even when it's constructive criticism. Yeah, he just gets angry. He's not very tractable. Yeah, he's not willing to change. He's not very compliant. He's not disposed to do what people ask. He's not very susceptible to it. He's not receptive, open, responsive, compliant, tractable, acquiescent, persuadable. Yeah, he's rather stubborn. He's not very biddable. Okay, so amenable. Yeah, amenable to a suggestion, amenable to being convinced by reasonable logic. Okay, formality, amenable. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a An informal conversation, I guess. Probably better yet, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I think very often we just use amenable to mean just to be pleasant as well. Okay, so amenable. Let's see. Origin. Amenable comes from amener in French, to bring, to lead, to fetch. Yeah, from to, and minare, to drive to. Yeah. I guess minari as well, to threaten, to menace. So, well, willing to comply. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Amenable. Yeah, please, would you be amenable to giving me a rating? Bye for now.